Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into 6 delicious smoothies that are quick, easy, and fantastic for your heart. Grab your blender, let's make heart health simple and tasty. Let's kick things off with a vibrant and delicious way to nourish your heart. The Berry Oat Antioxidant Smoothie. This isn't just any smoothie, it's a powerhouse of flavor and nutrients carefully crafted to support your cardiovascular health and keep you feeling fantastic. It's a breakfast and heart boost all rolled into one delightful glass. Imagine starting your day with a creamy, berry-filled concoction that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also actively works to protect your heart. The magic lies in the berries. These little gems are absolutely loaded with antioxidants. Antioxidants are your body's defense squad, working tirelessly to protect your blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals. They're essential for maintaining healthy circulation and preventing heart disease, and then we have the oats. These humble grains bring a wealth of cholesterol-lowering fiber to the table. Fiber helps to sweep away bad cholesterol, reducing your risk of heart attack and stroke. They also provide a sustained release of energy, keeping you feeling full and satisfied for longer. Making this heart-healthy elixir is incredibly simple. Just toss a cup of your favorite mixed frozen berries into a blender. Frozen berries are perfect because they add a wonderful chill and thickness to the smoothie. Next, add half a cup of rolled oats. Rolled oats provide a fantastic creamy texture and that all-important fiber. Pour in your favorite milk, almond, soy, or dairy, all work beautifully. The milk adds moisture and helps to blend everything together smoothly. And finally, add a spoonful of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt not only adds a tangy flavor, but also provides a boost of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues. Now, simply blend it all together. In under a minute, you'll have a vibrant, delicious smoothie ready to enjoy. What you've got is a thick, satisfying smoothie that not only keeps you full and energized, but also actively supports your heart health. It's a win-win. The combination of sweet, tangy berries and creamy, wholesome oats is pure magic for your taste buds and your heart. Eating for your heart doesn't have to be a chore. It can be an absolute pleasure. And this smoothie is living proof that taking care of your cardiovascular system can be incredibly delicious and satisfying. It's the perfect blend of flavor and function, all conveniently packed into one glass. So go ahead, treat yourself to this Berry Oat antioxidant powerhouse and give your heart the love it deserves. Next up, we're diving into the Spinach Avocado Power Smoothie. This isn't just another green drink, it's a powerhouse of goodness packed into a single glass. We're talking about a blend that not only tastes amazing but also fuels your body with essential nutrients. Don't fear the green. I know sometimes the color can be a little intimidating, but trust me, this is one green concoction you'll actually crave. Spinach is the star of the show, and it's absolutely packed with potassium and nitrates. These nutrients work together to help lower blood pressure, keeping your heart happy and healthy. It's a simple way to give your cardiovascular system a little extra love. And then we have the avocado, adding those incredibly heart-healthy fats. These fats are essential for lowering bad cholesterol and boosting the good kind, contributing to overall cardiovascular well-being. It's a delicious way to keep your cholesterol in check. To make this magic happen, blend a big handful of fresh spinach, half an avocado, half a banana, and a splash of coconut water to bring it all together. Finally, add a squeeze of lime for that extra zing and brightness. The result, a creamy, vibrant, and incredibly nutritious smoothie that's loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. It's a smart, tasty way to sneak in your daily dose of greens, even when you don't feel like eating a salad. And most importantly, it's a delicious way to support your heart health, one sip at a time. Enjoy! Now for the Flaxseed Banana Boost. Simple, sweet, and powerful. Flax seeds deliver omega-3s and fiber, both essential for heart health. Blend a ripe banana, a tablespoon of ground flaxseed, your favorite milk, and a dash of cinnamon. It's creamy, comforting, and a true heart-healthy champion. Are you ready to infuse your day with a burst of flavor and wellness? Let's spice things up with a tropical turmeric citrus smoothie. This isn't just a drink, it's a vibrant elixir designed to awaken your senses and nourish your body from the inside out. At the heart of this smoothie lies turmeric. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is a powerhouse when it comes to fighting inflammation. It's been used for centuries for its incredible health benefits. But here's a little secret. Curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body on its own. That's where black pepper comes in. A pinch of black pepper significantly boosts curcumin's bioavailability, unlocking its full potential. To create a symphony of tropical flavors, add frozen mango or pineapple. These fruits not only provide natural sweetness but also contribute essential vitamins and antioxidants. Next, we'll add the juice of an orange. Freshly squeezed orange juice brings a tangy zest and a dose of vitamin C, further enhancing the smoothie's immune-boosting properties. For that golden touch, add half a teaspoon of turmeric. Feel free to adjust the amount to your liking, depending on your preference for its earthy flavor. Don't forget that crucial pinch of black pepper. And to tie it all together, we'll use coconut water as the liquid base. Coconut water not only hydrates but also adds a subtle sweetness and a wealth of electrolytes. Now it's time to blend until the mixture transforms into a vibrant, smooth concoction. The result is a zesty, anti-inflammatory drink that's as delicious as it is beneficial. It tastes like sunshine in a glass, a perfect way to brighten your day and nourish your body. Your heart will thank you for this nourishing treat, and your taste buds will rejoice. So go ahead, indulge in this golden treat, and experience the magic of turmeric and citrus. Ready for a circulation boost? Try the Beetroot Berry smoothie. Beets are packed with nitrates that help widen blood vessels and improve blood flow. Blend a small cooked beet, a cup of frozen berries, water or pomegranate juice, and a squeeze of lemon. The flavor is berry-forward, masking the earthiness of beets. It's a vibrant, delicious way to support your heart and circulation. For our final recipe, the green tea matcha heart helper. Matcha is loaded with catechins, powerful antioxidants that protect your arteries. Blend a teaspoon of matcha, half a frozen banana, a handful of spinach, and almond milk. It's creamy, energizing, and a gentle caffeine lift for your day. Every sip is a shield for your heart. That's 6 easy, heart-healthy smoothies you can make anytime. Try them out, share with friends, and make heart health a delicious habit. Cheers to your health. See you next time.